Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? I wanted to run by you guys real quick this really powerful offer for affiliate marketing. Any of you guys can affiliate market this offer. It's over on the Sell Health platform. It's a CPA network. They have really quality offers for you to promote. This offer right here, specifically, it pays 40%. This is the highest you can get paid for this offer. You get on average $160 per person who, converts. And, I'm just passively promoting this now. I've scaled this up to six figures in a month before, like for like 2 months in a row. And, this right here, this is $26,000. My next payout's going to be uh, $22,000. And so it's very powerful. It's very passive. I'm doing some paid ads here and there that are just passively running, and they're really powerful and effective and dialed in is what I'm trying to say. They're super duper dialed in because I know what works for this offer at this point. If you guys want to get a coaching call at all, I'm not trying to really pitch anything, but I definitely can't guarantee any results for anyone. That's why I don't want to do any done for you funnels or done for you campaigns currently. And it requires a lot more work on your end and my end. And I believe whatever you're working on or trying to work on, I can help a lot with just doing coaching calls. Or if you want anything specific, I've got the different programs for super cheap. Super cheap. So anyone can get them. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to show this because it's like most people don't make passively like $20,000. And this is just with one offer I promote passively. And this offer is literally one of the best offers I've found. I mean, there's a lot of good offers, but this is one of the best ones I've ever found. So let's get more into this video and I'll explain more stuff about, how to promote this, how to make money with it. So let's go. This is a really good example of a successful offer. Basically, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I'm clicking on SimilarWeb real quick and their graph is going up by every month. So they're scaling right now on a lot of the adult sites, and like you won't really be able to find this site on Adult Adplexity, but I could check. But I found it just doing the manual spine, and literally this campaign's going crazy. So this is super powerful to take advantage of. So right now monthly visits are at 1.2 million and growing. So yeah, it's very powerful. Basically, what it does, it's just like some sort of pill. Now, the only reason it's successful, and this is the main point I want to get across here, is they're doing a lot of good, copywriting and different biases they're stacking here. Like this is social proof bias right there. You've got a bunch of like scientific things and what's ingredients. This is a VSL. This is just a 1 minute VSL too. So there you go. It just explains everything. If you go down, like this is super successful, guys. I just want you to know that, and you can model success. Look, they're just embedding a YouTube video here. Their ad is actually not a banner ad. It is a video ad. So basically, it's very cheap. Their video ad is super good. It basically demonstrates what it does. Okay, so why this is successful is you go over here, you just go through the buying process of what other consumers go through, and you'll realize why this is so successful. So if you look here, they've got tons of different options here. Now, some people are going to take the high ticket, and that's why it's so successful, by the way, is because they're able to spend, check this out, if you were to buy it, you'd buy it for 400 bucks. So basically to manufacture this is probably 50 bucks or less. So they're profiting 350, maybe if it is costing 50 bucks to make here. Basically they can spend quite a bit of money to acquire people for this, and a bunch of people will go for this one and lower ticket options. And the coolest part about why this is working is because it's recurring. So people get in at the month supply, and then they're going to get more and more because they know it works, and hopefully it's a good product and it works for people who buy it. So this is just an example as to why this is how you crush it with adult paid ads. You cannot really make it work if you just do a lead gen offer. It requires a lot of tracking, a lot of testing. But the most important thing is the high ticket. So these people can spend a lot because they have recurring and because they also offer a high ticket option. Okay, this is why this is working. The numbers have to work out in paid ads. People who get into paid ads are failing because, for one, they're a beginner most of the time, and for two, the math can't work out. And rarely is it a conversion problem, because when you have a value ladder and people are converting at 1% for all the different offer prices you have, you're going to be profitable. okay? But if you just have one offer and you're converting at 1%, it's very hard to see success. Like you could literally just do one offer, lead gen offer that pays out low, but then in the back end, have a high ticket offer, allowing you to spend a lot on traffic and reinvest just the money you make there, and it's all profit. Okay, so you get a bunch of conversions on low ticket stuff, and then periodic conversions from the high ticket stuff, making everything work out. It's crazy.